Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial on gluten-free cauliflower mushroom soup, and I just wanted to share with you guys just how easy and absolutely delicious it is. I'm gonna run this through this tutorial really quick. It's gluten-free, it's vegan, I believe. There's no animal products in it, so let's get started. So here I chopped some onions, and here is my mushroom, my cauliflower mushroom after I've soaked it for quite a bit to get all the bugs out and everything. So here I'm just kind of pulling apart all the pieces and just kind of looking through and making sure it's clean. Then I start by sauteing my onions and throwing in mushrooms and sauteing them for about 10-15 minutes until they're nice and kind of have a little bit of a crunch to them. And in the meantime, my water is boiling. I add a little bit of salt and seasoning. I didn't have any broth, so I just went ahead and I seasoned it with a little turmeric, onion powder, salt, and pepper just to get a nice boiling broth there. Once it's boiling, I go ahead and I add the sauteed mushrooms and onions very carefully, and then I add a little bit of celery for flavor, chopped potatoes, and grated onions. I know it looks a little bit funny at first and everything. I didn't do a very good job at grating but yeah, it adds a lot of color and flavor to the soup. And then my two secret ingredients, gluten-free soy sauce and sesame oil. That's what really brings the flavor out in this entire soup. I absolutely love it. Bring everything to a boil and boil for about 10-15 minutes until the potatoes and everything is nice and squishy. And there you go, and then just let it cool down and and enjoy. Like I said, it's gluten-free and vegan, super friendly. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions and I'll try to answer them. Message me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to make more gluten-free recipes, cast iron and Slavic food as well. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe.